Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sweden. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Sweden is the 16th richest country in the world in terms of GDP, with a heavy emphasis on foreign trade, specifically petroleum and agricultural products. With its developed export-oriented economy, Sweden is primarily driven by the manufacturing of vehicles, pharmaceuticals, industrial machinery, iron ore production, and forestry. As forex trading has become increasingly popular around the world over the course of the last few years, newer traders will want to find themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best forex brokers in Sweden and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a reliable and trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best forex brokers in Sweden. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. At number 4 on our list, we have Legacy FX. Legacy FX is an online financial broker which was founded in 2012 and is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Legacy FX offers users the ability to trade on more than 200 financial instruments, covering CFDs on Forex, metals, oil, cryptocurrencies, indices, and stocks. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, which is supported as a web-based browser application and is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP accounts with fixed or variable spreads, swap-free options, access to their trading academy, live customer support, no fees, and more. Legacy FX also provides their very own trading academy, which features an introduction to Forex trading, trading educational resources, a variety of helpful trading ebooks, advanced courses in the financial markets, as well as trading tools, such as technical analysis, calculators, analytics, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Legacy FX. Coming in at number 3 is BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. BlackBull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BlackBull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. BlackBull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with BlackBull Markets. At number 2 on our list is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, futures, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sweden, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online, fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000, with its headquarters located in Switzerland, Over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's advanced trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard, premium, and professional accounts, with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provide their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Sweden on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, and good luck with all your trading activities.